Hello everyone, thanks for your attention. I'm Huimin Wu. This is a review of SDD document presentation from group PG18. I'm going to deliver this presentation from the following two aspects: organization and completeness of the document, and the software design of this project. Generally speaking, the organization of the document is well structured and followed by the sample, which is given by the professor. First of all the diagrams provided in the SDD document are well documented with captions and also a description for the diagram. Only the class diagram was not giving any detailed explanation. What's more, the state diagram is not enough to reflect all the states changing of the robot. In terms of the design decisions, all the design decisions are well defined in the design rationale section for the overall system. Design decisions are also clearly documented in other sections, and there are some explanations to it. The software architecture has been laid out with a diagram completed with explanations and the rationale behind the decisions of doing so. And next, I will talk about the software design of the project. Roughly speaking, the software design of this project is doing well. In this document, the relationship to the requirements was not listed as it is being left out from the SDD document. Resources estimate has been identified at the end of the SDD document. Resources estimate were done for running this program, but not on the development of the software. The system architecture, which is identified in section 3.1, the system includes hardware, software, database, and data communication. The physical data model was not developed, but there is a data design instead, which is explained in the section 4. The architecture of this project is complete up to the current progress of the project itself, as the relationship to the requirements and non-functional requirements are left out. There is an uncertainty of whether all the requirements are covered, and alternative architectures are not considered in this SDD document. I think it needs to improve that. The architecture shows a lot of flexibility, and the system is broken down into many parts. With a much more modular system, this allows easier change and relevant change scenarios which have been documented. And lastly, changes to the system design baseline are not mentioned in the SDD document, but I know they are being managed and controlled through SVN, and the system design activities are reviewed with the software team and the project manager, as they are the ones that they're working very closely on the design of the software and also maintaining the requirements list from the user. And thanks for that. This is the presentation of the SDD review.